Listen. Now that Vader's found you, he's in reach of enormous power. He means to conquer death itself. Countless lives are in danger, including your own. You must escape this planet.
Yep, way ahead of you on that, lore master, except I can't reach it.
Here, use this to access the main breaker.
Wait, you have a hydro spanner? I don't want to ask, but where have you been hiding that? Don't tell. You know what? I don't want to know.
You need to insert the hydro spanner into that access port. That sounds promising. It looks like that damaged the panel. Can you pull it open?
Wow, you did it, Captain. Thanks, Violet, was it? I was technically not listening.
The door is activated by voice print, but
Okay,
maybe I can
no
use...
offense, but this is not our first jailbreak. Step aside, please, and keep quiet. I can simulate the Admiral's voice.
Voice ID, Admiral Cable Carris. Voice ID, Admiral Cable Carris.
Voice ID, Admiral Cable Carris.
This way! Hurry! This lift will take us to the hangar and your ship, but we need to override the security. Perfect. Good, good, good. I think we may make it.
Hey! How did you...
We better move before any more guards arrive.
There's the windfall! That's our ship! We gotta find a way down there.
Quickly, let's move! No, this place will be swarming with troopers in seconds.
This is Admiral Carris. All personnel alert. Prisoners have escaped. Lock down the hangar and secure all exits.
Oh, we'll never get to our ship now!
You'll have to find the priestess of my clan. Down in the caverns beneath us. She's your only way off Mustafar now. Take my lore totem. It will help her find you. I'll hold them off! Find the priestess! She's your only hope!
Gotta move! The elevators are going into lockdown. The only route is via these private chambers above us. No telling what's up there. But it can't be worse than this, right?
Secure stations! Secure stations! Prisoners have escaped! Locking out all service elevators and doors!
We're sitting bloggins in here. We'll have to find another way out. I can't override the controls. Can you try? It's working. I can see a hatch up in the ceiling. That's it. The hatch is opening. Okay, there's a ladder up here. Oh, thank the Maker. Way out. Follow me. Well, I guess the only way is up. Scrag it, I hate heights. This is humiliating. If you'd upgraded my repulsor lift module, I wouldn't have to drag myself up like a meat bag. Go ahead, pull yourself along the rail. Okay, try this. Hand over hand, and then just pull yourself over. It looks like we could climb up here. Word of advice, best not to look down. Right, from here on out, can we just stick to places that don't require climbing, please? Ugh. Oh, I hate those things. According to the nav route, we can get out through the... What did you do?
Assessment indicates that training is required. Initializing training program. Level Beginner. To block an attack, hold your lightsaber still and at an angle across the path of the enemy strike. Replicate the sequence indicated by the hologram to block the attack. Correct. Once more. Adequate. Lesson complete. Lesson 2. Attacking. After blocking a series of enemy strikes, they become vulnerable. That's when you attack. For a successful strike, swing in a wide, straight arc. Follow the example arc to form your own strike. Now, change the strike angle as the hologram shows. Good. Once more. Good form. Lesson complete. Lesson 3. Combination attacks. To keep your opponent off guard, you must assume a different angle for each strike. Now strike after blocking these attacks. Try again. Block the attacks. Now strike after blocking these attacks. Try again. Strike combination.
You know you're an ace lightning, huh?
Lesson 3 complete. Final lesson. Blaster deflection. You can deflect blaster fire back to its source. Defend yourself against the training remote. Swing the lightsaber back towards your opponent. Aim to hit the blaster fire back towards where it came from. Swing the lightsaber back towards your opponent. Aim to hit the blaster fire back towards where it came from. The deflection successful. Beginner training program complete. Prepare for combat.
You okay? I'm actually impressed, Captain. I thought for sure you were dead. There's no time to celebrate. I found a way out. Yes. Okay. I found a way. And it's along an outer ledge. Oh, goody. Yikes! That's a really long drop. Okay, well there's a ventilation shaft just above us, which means we have to go even higher. So, great news for me. Now grab my hand. it's actually kind of beautiful. At least as far as nightmare hellscapes go. Well, there should be a way to get this open. See if you can find a way to open that vent. Wow, so how do we get through this? Try heating it up first, then cutting slower. There you go. Keep applying pressure. Slow and steady. That's it. No, look at it.
And you believe the final component of the Eon engine is within your grasp?
I have no doubt.
You found a descendant of Lady Kovacs, then?
One of the last, it would seem. Unlike the others, this one activated the artifact.
Corvax. Is that what Violet meant by your bloodline? This way.
With the candidate's help, you will be able to unlock Lady Kovacs' sanctum. You will gain mastery over death itself. What you seek is finally within your grasp.
Leave me now.
Padme.
Something wonderful has happened. Annie, I'm back.
I was not programmed for this. Everything about this place feels wrong. We need to get out of here. Down here! Hurry, get in! What did Violet say again?
You'll have to find the priestess of my clan. Down in the caverns beneath us. She's your only way off Mustafar now. Take my lore totem. It will help her find you.
Cavern, priestess, totem. Is there any version of this plan that doesn't end up with us being dead? Captain? Whatever happens, it's been a good run. Whoa! Look at this. Look at this place. It seems like the Imperials are excavating something. Okay, we got the caverns. How are we gonna find the priestess? Oh, there's a skiff! I think I can just hotwire this thing. Come over and cover me.
There are intruders on the excavation dock! Hit the prisoners! Hit them!
Captain, they're firing at us near the elevator.
Spread out! Focus fire!
Woo! Great, I'm almost there.
This is IMMORTAL. Need units to the excavation dock. Secure that.
Real busy down here.
Weapons ready! Cut them down!
It's working! Alright, let's get out of here!
They're out of range, requesting orders.
Incredible. It looks like an ancient castle. These ruins are definitely pre-Republic. At least a few thousand cycles old. That's what the Imperials are. I wonder what Vader is after. My guess is that's what it is. This must be it. That guy looks like the welcoming committee. I hope this priestess shows up. Hey, the totem's glowing. That creepy guy said you're a descendant of Lady Corvax. That must be her. I bet this was her castle. After you, Captain. Why don't you
By
go
the
first?
original light. It appears Vader has finally found his candidate.
Hi. Are you The priestess? Violet said we should give you this, that you'd help us escape?
We don't have much time. I must help you, Master. Once, our world Mustafa was green, filled with life. Lady Kovacs abided here with her husband, Sardoin, living in peace with my people. The bright star was our most sacred object. Its energy nourished our planet. One day, our world was attacked. Lady Kovacs' husband fell in battle. She stole the bright star, believing it would restore her husband to life. She created the Eon End, a terrible machine. It reduced our world to the wasteland you see now. The bright star is hidden beneath us, somewhere within Lady Kovacs' sanctum. Vader has the only key. But he needs a descendant of the ladies to wield it. Vader is here.